Alright, here's a good spot where the bus stops on the main avenue, Carretera. Chapala Mexico. And we go. Oh. This is Ajijic. I'm gonna walk to Centro Park, and now we're going a little bit. See what the vibe is like. A lot of bikes. It's fucking cool. Colorful. Cobblestone streets. Not cobblestone, stone. Classic sidewalks. Seems to be a lot of expats here, so I've heard. You got your taxis. Though I hear Didi is a bit better, or Uber. Sometimes one might be cheaper than the other. There's a nice little private area. The historic of the Pueblo of Ajijic, 1929 to 30. I'm probably saying that wrong. Después de la revolución cristera, the Temple of San Andrés Apostol, neoclassical construction, approximately 1880, and for the electives influenced. I should know how to pick up. Alright, let's get moving. Oh, there it is. I'm sure they open this at some points, but not today. You got your classic Latin American park. Nice stone benches, nice greenery, puppy dogs, music. Probably see some vendors. I'm surprised I don't see many vendors, but at night, bit of popping. Ah, here we are. Expats, immigrants, expats. Nice little stop. Not bad. Not bad. 2 for 1 mark. This guy. Spooky. I'll walk to that church there. It looks awesome. To Jocotepec, to Chapala. You know, this kind of reminds me of Jocotepec of Guatemala, where it's indigenous. Okay. Cheers to life. That is a good statement. I kind of want a beer, but I kind of don't want to deal with that whole bus ride after having beers. Now that looks like a nice car. Oh, that's cool. Very good job. Nice mural. Not sure what it represents. No one's here. It's kind of creepy how quiet it is. Normally used to just vendors, people walking. Not here. Lowest plaza. The names of contributed to the Constitution of the state. And we hope they're prescribed for life, something like that. That's pretty cool. Wow, that's pretty cool.